One of the best things you can add to your ATV or side-by-side is protection, whether that's skids or brush guards, and that's what we're gonna do here today. We're gonna add a front brush guard to our Yamaha Grizzly. We're gonna remove the 2 bolts that retain the front edge of the stock bash plate. And then we're gonna move on to our front grab bar here, remove these plastic covers, and we're also gonna use the hardware that's already here. Now we're going to go ahead and get our front brush guard mounted up. Well, the brush guard is installed and I think it looks awesome. It looks great on the front of the Grizzly. If you guys want more information, go to YamahaMotorsports.com or your local Yamaha dealer. We'll see y'all. Take care. Have a good one.